Comedy Central Train Ident bloopers. Is everybody ready?
Ready as I'll ever be, Davin.
Alright everyone, let's start this logo blooper session
right now!
So, DM Bot, what food or drink have you ordered for me today?
Good question, Davin. I have ordered a tomato cucumber cheeseburger.
What's a new order? Pepsi Cola hits the spot!
12 full ounces, that's a lot.
Xbox, as opposed to Xmote.
Xmote? PlayStation. No work, all play.
Ixnay on the Ogs play, Oddiske.
Oy vey.
Nintendo. The company that owns the Nintendo Switch.
Says that fake blue bear. Hot. Think again, Tesh, because I got my leg trousers on.
Oh, my foot. It's bleeding. Ow. Guess who's back for more? It's Punksatonyi Dr. Phil.
Thanks so much, Beyonce.
Silly little Punksy. Well, I've got something for Punksy. Here it is. We're not afraid of any villain, we'll just have to let them come. Well, evil Scoda strikes once again.
Ha, I'm taking hostage of DN Originals again.
Well, you want us, but you can't have us.
Davin, there's a surprise for you coming in this Ident.
That's not what I wanted, evil Scoda.
Ha. I am going to change the sky red again, just like evil Renault did. Finally, the sky is all red. Stay mad, Capsule Link Crew.
Not again. We've got a red sky. I'd better make that sky blue again.
Art loser.
Oh yeah? Well, I've got something for you, evil Scoda. Watch me.
Oh. Me thinks I goofed.
You think's right, Tash.
Dinner is served. What place are we eating, Davin? Where else? Shame on you! Well, here we go again.